Everybody knows.
All right.
You got this, Alan?
I'm good. I'm just trying to get my GoPro running.
Guys, we can't sing any copyrighted songs. All we gotta do is.
Stop it.
What? Only no copyright songs.
There you go.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, there's a rock in my eyeball.
Not again.
Hey.
There's gonna be rocks everywhere.
All right.
Listen up.
We have. This is another room from the one we were just in. It's got several passages to it too. There's a passage down here that you kind of have to drop. And then it goes on the other side of this wall here, down pretty far. There's a hole over there that you can drop down and crawl all the way over to this giant chimney. It's about this big around, about 10 feet up in the air. Okay, and you kind of have to crawl and then climb all the way up there and then come out. But we're going to do this other one here. This one here is.
Don't worry, you'll get the crawl.
Yes, I know, but I want to see this back. Wait, can we do the
Okay.
one that I was supposed to that you asked me if I could do last time?
Okay, let me just.
You need to come where I am.
I'm going to come over this way. All right, now over here, this passage here is not too bad. On the left side, the left wall, there's a crack about the height of where your feet are. You stick your toes in that, lean against the other wall, and shimmy all the way down till you get to the next room. It's really not too bad. It's only about 2 feet up in the air. So we're going to do this till we all get into the next room, okay?
Okay.
Take care of the person behind you and in front of you.
How can I assist you today?
Give me a glass of wine, fresh wine.
I'll go buy some grapes real quick.
Okay. Here you go. Stick your feet in the crack. And just
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, I remember this.
shimmy down.
Don't fall.
I think we got everybody here.
And this is all natural.
All natural.
Even this little toe part.
Yep.
This is awesome.
I know.
Put your butt in it.
Oh my god, my butt.
Okay, right here.
Wait, do we have to go sideways?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How else are you gonna do it? Just walk with air?
Right here, this crack ends, but there's another one right below it that you step down onto. And then you can keep on,
You gotta go sideways here, Gary.
you can keep on going, or else just step down to the floor. Okay?
I'm too short.
Turn up your back.
Well, then keep on coming down. And it's easy.
Know your name.
Torture you, Blake.
You're doing good.
Yeah, you go.
That's it. That's it. We're going to collect in this room. And
Oh, this is the hole that Ronan got stuck in.
keep coming down. Keep coming down. Don't jump down too soon.
Ronan!
I could.
Come on down. Come all the way down to here. No. Don't get down yet. Keep coming this way. Keep coming down this way. Keep coming.
How I can't.
Yes, you can. You got this. Leave this foot here. Step this one down to here.
What?
You see it? See, now wasn't that a little bit easier than trying to reach all the way to the floor? Now you can step to the floor if you want.
I always got tried, but that dude is that. Yeah, no.
Then we're going to sit in this room till we get everybody together.
Fudge.
Oh my god.
Fudge.
You're doing good.
Everybody look for
That's good.
salamanders.
That rock's been wobbling for 20 years that I know of. So don't worry about it going anywhere.
Falls.
Well,
Just keep on coming this way.
I gotta go back a little bit.
There we go.
I
That's
don't
it.
care if I ruin these pants or this jacket. I'm too scared.
Don't go too far down there, guys. I want to keep everybody here together.
Wait, where does that lead?
that leads to the next hallway.
Oh,
It's so hard.
Oh my god.
Now,
Can someone go through that?
if you want to take a look at it and see if it's something you want to try,
Yeah,
one
this
at a
is the
time going down there, okay?
Yeah, no. Wait, you have to crawl to do through that?
Can you do it?
You don't have to.
You gotta go in sideways and put your foot
Like
in
I
the crack.
said, there's more than one way to get from one
Yeah.
point to the next.
I want to get. If we go in there, can we go through? Oh my god, dude! Look at
Okay,
this
now
one.
listen up while you're down in there. Listen up.
Randy.
Randy. Yep.
You're going to keep on going straight. It's sort of like to the right of the rock that's hanging there.
Yeah.
And then you're going to belly crawl about 20 feet.
Yeah.
Then when you could stand up in that area that you could stand up in, you're going to make a left. Okay? But before you go too far, wait for your buddy.
I'll come down with you. Right?
Make sure your buddy can go with you.
Oh, way to go, you
Okay?
guys.
Right. We
I'm
go
buddies.
right at first. You go right.
Okay, don't get down there while he's still in the hole, okay? If he has to back out, he can't. You got to wait until he's done before you climb down in there, okay? Give him room. Okay, who's his buddy?
Me.
All right, go ahead.
I'm not with those three. I'm standing up here. I'm not doing that.
Okay, well, we can switch buddies if we want to. If that works out better.
I have claustrophobia, that's the problem.
Oh.
I have
Tight spaces
Don't
scare me.
go
This
down
doesn't
yet. Hold
bother
up.
me.
Where's your buddy? Where's your buddy? Okay, the three of you together?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go down there, take a look at it.
Well, I can sit down.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is crazy. Can you do it?
I think so. I'm the skinniest person in here.
A little bit more.
My belt.
Oh my god.
Hold on a second.
My special edition signed LaBelle got stuck.
Very good, guys.
You guys good?
Yep.
Okay, now when you go down to the walking passage, make a left and go down till you see another passage that comes in from the left-hand side. And just wait there.
Should I go down?
If you want to, it's tight.
I sure ain't.
Neither am I.
I'm not going down
And I
there.
see
You
how
might get stuck, okay?
my leg
having
is
an
not bright
issue
at all.
back
I
here,
can't
aren't we?
see anything.
So turn on your backup.
You shouldn't have your backup on. Mine
There
is
you
just
go.
bright.
You're doing good. Come on. Just keep.
Can you spot me?
Yeah, I'm right here. You're not going anywhere. Okay? One foot at a time. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Keep on coming.
Yeah, I feel like with this, the start, you get really nervous, but
Yeah.
once you get going,
It's not
really
bad.
not bad.
No. Gonna keep on coming.
There I yawned that way out.
You're right here. You're doing good. You're gonna come all the way down to here, okay?
Okay.
And then when we get here, you're gonna do something different.
There.
And I'm gonna help you through that one too,
What do
okay?
I do? What do I do?
Okay, get over here first. I don't wanna get you too confused. Come on all the way over to this edge. So right here, there. Okay, now, you're gonna take this foot and put it there, okay? Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm down underneath you. Slide down, there you go. There you go. Okay, now, can you step down onto the floor?
No.
No? Okay, then you can keep on coming down this way. Okay? You can bring that foot over here if you want. That's it, you can do that too. Whatever way works.
If I get stuck,
That's it, perfect.
yeah. Alright, so
Very good, very good. You got it, now keep on coming.
Now what do I do?
alright, please
Keep on coming.
do this for me.
You're doing
I feel
good.
like I'm
You're
gonna
gonna be
fall.
fine.
No, you're not gonna fall.
There's
You got yourself wedged in nice.
Yeah, please help me.
Okay, now,
Alright, man?
Please.
put that on the floor,
I
okay?
can't.
Yes, you can.
It doesn't reach.
Bend your knee. There you go down. There you go. What do you mean you can't? You just did it.
That side. Put your foot down and drop.
Yeah, so he and I are going in. How should I do this?
On your side,
I'm not going. Can't you go with you if you want.
one arm in front, one arm back behind you, and you're going to be on your side like that. And kind of scoot yourself in, inch your
So
way
which
in.
way's the hole? Is it that one or that one?
That one.
Wait, are we gonna be
The first one.
Wait, are we
This
going
one,
down,
okay.
like with gravity?
So I should go like this down in.
You're going to go that way. Yeah. Stay there.
Okay, so wait.
Go down in here. You're going to go down this way,
That way. Alright.
okay? And you'll see you'll have a rock right into your face.
Can we keep,
You're going to go around the rock
can we keep going?
like that, and then just keep going that way. Okay?
And does it open up more?
It opens up really wide.
Okay.
but it's just not very high. So take a look at it. If you want to take a look at it, if you decide you don't want to do it, that's okay. Okay, we're going to stay up here.
Alright.
So, are they already
All
down
right,
there?
all right, all right.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Go
They
down
went
feet
through
first.
there.
Take your
Feet
feet down. Get your feet down there so you can stand up in the hole.
And then somehow maneuver yourself so you can get your head down in there first.
Yeah. With your right arm in front of you. Okay, you're going to be on your right side.
I'm proud of you. You did it.
Yeah, scooch down in there. Take a look inside the hole. And you can get a really good idea what you're going to have to do. Now you're taller, you may have to put your feet up outside of the hole and almost do a headstand.
Whoa, it turned my light off. I can't put my head in to see.
Okay, so don't do that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, you don't have to.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
What is down there?
Unfortunately.
It's
I don't
just a tight curl.
Okay. Yeah, that's a no.
Yeah, that's enough for you.
Oh wait, that.
Is there an alternate route?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, there he is. He's coming back this way.
Can we keep going?
Yeah, we're going to keep going that way. Where he is, over that
so
rock.
can we just go over there?
Yep.
Yes, Cam.
He was trying to do
Do
that.
like crawling through tight spaces?
Tight hazard and he said, yes.
Can I try?
Was it?
You want to get down there. Take a look at it, okay? Slide down. Be carefully.
Okay, I don't like that.
But
Okay.
sliding
Can I
down.
just walk across?
Yep.
Yeah, let me get out of your way.
Nope.
That's fine.
Yeah, because I can still go this way.
Yeah.
I can't. I don't have full.
Let me go first then, okay? Come on back. And I'll get out in front.
He spotted me. I got this.
You got to come back here so that I can get out there first, okay?
Wait, what?
Because he said so.
All right, fair enough.
That way I can spot you going over, okay? It's really...
Good aim.
There you go. That's good. That's
I
good.
can,
Yes.
you know what? I can easily just balls at you right now.
Please don't. We're in a cave.
I'm just saying I could.
Keep yourself, man.
Are we good?
Yeah, right?
Okay, now when you come over, try to get your feet over here first. Okay, so you're going to sit here and put your feet over.
So what you're saying is basically we gotta slide down?
Yeah. Okay. Put your hands, put that hand over here. Now both feet over. Okay. Now you can jam a foot up against this wall and then step down. Okay, but you got to get both feet over. Okay, get that foot over there, there, and then step down.
Oh, my shoes are tied. I should fix that.
Yeah, you want to fix that because that's not something that's. Okay, hold on, don't get too close. Let him go. Let him go first. So he's out of your way. Otherwise, you're going to fall on him. Okay, step and then
Can I go
step.
that way and see what's over there real quick?
Huh?
Can I go see what's over that way real quick?
We'll be over there later.
I sure hope my assigned LeBron.
Guys, is LeBron James over there?
Very good. And then just step down.
I had to like
Howdy.
my leg.
Hey.
Oh, is that where you got him out?
Okay, both feet over.
Straight ahead.
Go way back.
That's good. The idea with both feet over is so you don't fall face first.
Yeah, it makes sense.
That's kind of important. All right, let's get you over.
So what do I do?
You gotta climb up here, put a hand on either side of this rock, okay? And bring your feet up over here, whatever way is comfortable for you. Can you, instead of kneeling, can you bring your whole foot over? Step over it.
Can't throw it up.
That's it, that's it. Okay, now you can sit. Now you can bring your other foot over.
Now you're singing soprano.
What do I do?
Bring your other foot over so your both feet are in front of you.
You're gonna slide down on your.
That's it?
Slide down on your butt end.
Perfect, perfect. That's it. You're not going anywhere. I'm in front of you. Okay? Bring this one over. Okay. Foot, you gonna jam your foot up against that wall, and then you put the other foot down on the floor. Okay? All right, guys, you got it. Okay, we're gonna settle up at the Y down there where two passages meet. You guys need a spot?
No, I'm good.
All right.
I feel like most of my problems are coming from my short legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey Harry, what's up?
Yo, that's your father.
Hey, no, look.
Yeah, they'll get a little bit longer. He's
Wait,
probably
should
gonna be
we
6
stop?
feet tall.
Great. Just wait right there.
Where he's going, I think he's gonna be taller than I am.
We're gonna keep
See him shooting
keep
up.
moving up so we can stand up in that passage, okay?
Oh my gosh, guys. It's about right.
So you can decorate your house and create college diaries. I have one.
But we all are.
Well, I don't know.
Mr. Christine might not be in there.
Well, us younger folks are.
Bo Brodnick's mine. Well, look at that. Brandy Shrub. What?
It wasn't Kristen. Oh, it's Kristen.
Hey, Brandy.
Randy.
Oh, Kristen. Whoa, there's
Randy.
ribs. Whoa.
Okay, let's move on over so we can stand up. Everybody has to be able to stand up in here.
Randy. We'll scoot down.
I don't know if that's a good idea to say this, but I got any pieces about here.
That's like summer camp.
Stand up.
Gotta hold it in, dude. We're gonna be in here for a couple hours.
Let me get down here.
No, I don't know that big cup, but I do got it.
It all fell. Me too. Just hold it in.
What? Do you have any water?
No, I have so many bottles.
Okay.
I'm not gonna drink my pee.
You can.
Hold on.
Yes, you can.
I'm gonna get a drink because I'm thirsty.
Oh, Dad, look at that.
Wait your turn.
There's a cloth for it.
You guys make sure you stay hydrated.
Your pee twice before it gets too strong.
Filtration.
Is everybody hydrated?
I'm gonna grab my long haul with me.
No,
I'll be
I
fine.
drank there.
I have not had a drink of water since September 7th, 2011.
Are you chips? How's that water? Is it tasty?
Tasty.
It would be really good if I could borrow a sip of water from someone.